Two popular VPNs, each promising online privacy for 2025. But only one claim to the VPN crown. Which one really delivers? On the left, ExpressVPN, premium speed and security for all your devices. And on the right, TunnelBear, adorable, easy, and free VPN with bare flair. Let's skip the buzzwords and get to the real stuff. Each category earns points, and at the end, you'll see exactly who comes out on top. The result might not be what you expect.
Okay, here's how we're going to break this down. We've got a mind map showing all the categories we're covering today. Price, speed and performance, security and privacy, server network, streaming and unblocking, usability and features, and last but not least, customer support. So get comfy, because we're hitting all the angles before we crown a winner. Let's start with the big one, price. So ExpressVPN, it does not come cheap. We're talking premium level pricing here. But you do get a 30-day money-back guarantee. And honestly, you're paying for that high performance. But there's no free plan, which stings a bit if you're just testing the waters. Now, TunnelBear, this is basically the opposite. You actually get a free plan, which, yes, has a monthly data cap, but come on, it's free. Their long-term plans are pretty affordable too. Downside, there's no official refund policy for paid users, so a little risky if you're not sure. Between the two, yeah, TunnelBear definitely wins the price round. No contest.
Next up, speed and performance. ExpressVPN is kind of famous for being fast. Streaming, gaming, whatever, this thing just goes. The only time it slows down is if you're really pushing it with torrents. But overall, it's reliable. TunnelBear, though, it's decent if you're just like checking emails and watching random YouTube videos. Don't expect blazing HD streams or smooth torrenting. The speeds are definitely, slower, and it might even block P2P traffic. So if you want performance, there's no question, ExpressVPN easily takes this one.
All right, let's talk security and privacy, because honestly, what even is a VPN if it's not super secure? ExpressVPN is loaded. RAM-only servers, which is awesome for privacy, a strict no-logs policy, and it's all externally audited. Plus, British Virgin Islands headquarters, so privacy laws are chill. Only drawback? You're paying more for this peace of mind. Now, TunnelBear looks friendly, but under the hood, it's got AES 256 encryption, a genuinely fun interface. I mean, who doesn't love Vigilant Bear and Ghost Bear? And a declared no-logs policy. But it's not externally audited, keeps some connection logs, doesn't use RAM-only servers, and it's based in Canada, which is, yeah, not ideal for privacy freaks. So, once again, ExpressVPN really flexes here and takes the win. Oh, and here's something cool. Did you know TunnelBear has bear puns and animations all over its interface? I mean, using a VPN has literally never been cuter. And, on the flip side, ExpressVPN kind of set the trend for RAM-only servers, which makes all your data vanish every time they reboot. Pretty slick, right?
Server network. Let's break this down.
ExpressVPN boasts 3,000 plus servers in 105 countries. Pretty wild reach, right? It's fantastic for hopping around the world or unblocking stuff no matter where you are. Now, sometimes it's not super transparent about every server, but the size and coverage is strong. TunnelBear actually claims more servers, over 8,000, but they're spread across just 47 countries. A lot of those are free servers, which is kinda cool, but overall coverage still doesn't beat ExpressVPN. So yeah, Express runs away with this one too.
Let's get into streaming and unblocking. ExpressVPN is one of the go-tos if you want to unlock Netflix, Amazon Prime, Disney+, and honestly, a ton of other platforms. Minimal buffering, and it just works. Only catch, it's mainly best for US and Canada Netflix. TunnelBear, well, it can unblock some basic sites if you're just, like, casual browsing. But when it comes to major streaming, Netflix, Prime, all that, it's hit or miss, and mostly miss. So if you're looking to binge watch, ExpressVPN is your guy. Now, usability and features. ExpressVPN is just easy. Super polished apps everywhere. Split tunneling and their lightweight protocol is pretty cool too. Only odd thing, there's a 10 device limit, which for most people is fine, but hey, worth noting. TunnelBear's the fun one. Unlimited devices, playful design, and even their own flavor of split tunneling called SplitBear. The trade-off? No live chat, and you're missing some advanced features power users might want. But for most people, both are honestly a breeze to use. So, for usability, I'm calling this a tie. Customer support, where the real test begins if you ever get stuck. ExpressVPN nails this. 24/7 live chat, detailed guides, easy peasy. If anything goes wrong, someone's actually there. With TunnelBear, it's all email, no live chat at all. Their documentation is actually not bad, but response times can be kinda all over the place. So if fast help is a big deal, yeah, ExpressVPN's your winner. Let's pull up a quick radar chart. You'll see ExpressVPN just dominates on performance, security, server reach, streaming, and support. TunnelBear only really leads on price, and maybe comes out even with usability. It's a very clear spread, honestly. So here's my take. If you're serious about streaming, care about airtight security, or you just want the most reliable VPN experience in 2025, you're probably gonna love ExpressVPN. It's pricier, but you get what you pay for. TunnelBear, though, it's the friendlier budget option. If you just want something simple, with a free plan and a cute bear mascot, it gets the job done. But for power users, or folks who really want top-tier features, ExpressVPN's the winner today. If this VPN face-off helped you figure out your pick, go ahead and subscribe for more honest, chill tech showdowns and tips. Seriously, no hype, just the real talk. You don't want to miss what's coming.